Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic, and today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2016 66 plate Jaguar XF V6s. Now this is a lovely car, showroom demonstrator from new, so it comes very well specified, finished in this lovely sort of dark maroon. Looks superb. It's the first time we've had one in this colour, and I'd probably say you'd struggle to find another one on the roads in this particular palette. Fantastic colour, full exterior black package, so your front grille, side mouldings, lower lip, that's all in the gloss black. LED daytime running lights, obviously front and rear parking sensors. Then we've got gloss black detailing on your window surrounds, we've got privacy glass, we've got gloss black detailing on the side skirt extensions just to break it all up. We've got the black on the wings there as well, and then alloy wheels wise we're riding on these lovely 19-inch 5-spoke diamond turned alloy wheels. Bright red brake calipers within there. Just popping our heads inside, we've got a half red and ebony black leather sport seat, which looks absolutely fantastic. Suits the paintwork very well, suits the calipers, and then we've got a few added features such as the carbon fibre mirror caps. Coming through to the back then, nice sporty rear diffuser also in the gloss black. We've got the nice big S badge just to show this is the sportier model. Looking through to the boot, obviously an electric tailgate, so press the button, elegantly glides up, and then you've got loads and loads of luggage space in there. But split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Down here you'll find space saver spur wheel with all the kit to change it. Reversing camera. But then looking down the side of the car you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. All the panel work is in very nice order. All the paintwork's in nice order. You can tell whoever's owned the vehicle has truly cherished it in their years of ownership. Now jumping inside, that lovely red interior. Looking at the actual bolsters, the seat base, they're in very nice order. These are fully electric freeway memory sport seats, so you can be driver one, your partner can be driver two. Press of a button that will fully adjust the seat, steering column and the mirrors to exactly where you want it. We've got park folding mirrors, we've got lovely tailored floor mats with the black and the red stitching just to match. We'll close the door. Another nice feature to mention, we've got soft closed doors on this vehicle. Full lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So on here you've got your voice command, you've got all your volume and media controls, Bluetooth phone, heated steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter, automatic lights, automatic wipers. Obviously you've got the sport mode on the gearbox, you've got the flappy paddles allowing you to drive the car manually if you choose to do so. We've got this virtual cockpit, so you can change the actual display on here. So if you want your map nice and easy to follow, you can have your map straight in front of you. And this is fully changeable. You can change the theme, you can change the actual information that it displays. You've got favorites for your music, source, all your vehicle settings, all your trip computers on there, driver assistance as well, so lane departure warning, forward alert, traffic sign recognition, and much more. Now, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 52,095 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got the Meridian surround sound. We've got the nice big screen on this one. So on here we've got full DAB radio. If we press through to source, we've got television capabilities as well, so you can get your BBC news there in the morning. Pressing through again there, through to source. Then you've got your media library, you've got your radio, and much more. Clicking through to the home menu, Bluetooth phone, climate control, obviously heated seats. These are full temperature seats, so as the driver, if you want your heated seat on, you can pop that on. Your passenger feeling a little bit warm, you can put your cooling seat on, which will blow cold air through the perforations in the seat. Very smart car this. Following through then, we've got our eco data, cameras, So it's not just a reversing camera, you've got full 360 on this one. So if you wanted to, you could just have a look at your reversing camera, or if you're parking nose first somewhere, you can have your front camera facing that way, or if you're parking in a tight gap, you can see your wheel at the side there as well. Really, really smart. In control application, web browser, seats, contacts, valet mode, iDynamic, low friction launch. Obviously, being the sportier model, when you do go into the iDynamic mode, when you flick the vehicle into dynamic mode on the actual sports select, it gives you all the actual details there. So you can change your engine, your gear shiftings, steering and suspension to exactly the way that you want it. So you can have it normal, you can have it dynamic, and then this is basically all your stopwatch and lap timers. You've got G-forces to show how fast you're going around corners, brake and throttle, which is another nice feature. And then obviously also you've got normal mode, eco, all-terrain, traction control, central cup holders there, heated front screen, center armrest which is in lovely order. Within there you've got a SIM card input, HDMI, 2 USBs and a 12-volt power outlet. You've got the S embossed into the headrests. Back seats look like they've barely seen any use, they're in fantastic order. Comfortable seating for 3, central armrest there as well. You've got rear vents, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. This vehicle is supplied with a lovely service history, that's all in the folder upstairs. Locking wheel nuts there also. But this was owned by a Jaguar fan. He's had Jaguars, I think he mentioned to me the last 8 cars that he's had were all Jags, and he's just upgraded to an SUV. But a lovely car, drives absolutely fantastic, and it looks even better. So if you'd like any more information, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.